Ha ha! Here's the problem. Too many birds. You know what they say? All toasters toast birds. Birds are
Illegal, you know.
Great! There is no time. Your
toaster
is enough. How about
A potato chip.
for luck?
You've got to be kidding.
Luigi, look! It's from
Mama Luigi!
Dear pesky plumbers. The birds have taken over the toaster. The
A potato chip.
is now a permanent guest at one of my 7 Cooper hotels. I dare you to,
Bomb some dodongos.
if you can. We gotta,
Bomb some dodongos.
and you gotta toast birds. If you need instructions on how to
Bomb some dodongos.
check out the enclosed,
A potato chip.
remind me to check. Where'd she go? She's up there. No. Over there. No.
I wonder what happened to Link. Don't worry, Zelda. The Triforce of Wisdom promises the
Illegal.
Birds.
will safely return.
Or else you will die.
Great!
Ugh, why'd you do that?
I just saved you from...
Hey, Luigi.
Well done, Link. The birds are once again
Toasters.
come. Look, already Korodai is returning to harmony. The birds are singing. Isn't it beautiful? Golly, as it is written, you, Link, are...
The Triforce of Wisdom.
I guess that's worth...
A potato chip.
Huh?
Ha!
Die.